How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about something that's highly overlooked when performing electrical diagnostics, and a lot of people forget this. A very important step. They go ahead and you check your basics, right? So you check for voltage, you check your grounds, you check continuity, resistance. You can put a scope on the circuit and all that good stuff. But a lot of times, and I've had issue with this lately. This is why I want to bring this to everyone's attention, is a lot of people forget to check the pin fit on the actual cavity of the connector or the wire. And like I said, all this could, you can have all this stuff. You can have continuity voltage, reference voltage, whatever the case may be. No shorts, anything present. But if your connection is not good, at the cavity, then none of that's going to matter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I'm going to, exactly what I mean. And I'm going to show you a little tutorial. All right, guys. So this is the kit right here. Came in this package. Fellow YouTuber and Instagrammer actually purchased something just like it. And I asked him where he got it from. He got it from eBay. So I'll make sure I put the link down below in the description. If you don't follow him, at Diagnostic Dentist on Instagram and YouTube, he's a super cool dude out in California. So obviously way opposite coast of me, but we chit chat almost every day. We bounce some ideas off each other, some laughs and some, stuff like that. But anyways, so Honda has its own kit, but doesn't come as nicely sorted like this. And there's actually one missing. The newest one is even smaller than this one right here. I forget the exact size right now. But anyways, for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you. So like I said before, if you have voltage, ground, resistance, all that checks out, continuity, all that's in spec, but you don't have a good contact between, let's say this is your pin to your sensor, right? And this is your connector. So if you don't have a good contact, none of that's gonna matter, right? And so for this example, this is a 0.64 pin, 0.64 millimeters. All right, and you're gonna go and take your connector and you're gonna go just like this. See? Stays on, doesn't fall out. So let's say, hey, all right, that's great and all, but how do I know what a good pin drag is? So it's a very good question. Obviously, you're gonna go, let's say your problem in yours is right here, this cavity. So you're gonna go next to it, all right? I know what that feels like. Okay, I know what the drag in that feels like. But hey, look at that. We got an issue right there. Obviously, I took out the cavity, the pin in this one. Just to make it super obvious. It might not be that obvious. You might, just have a slightly less drag than the other ones. But, for the video, see, it requires a little bit of attention to take it out. So, this right here, nothing, no good. I've seen them this bad. I've seen them not as bad. I've seen them to where they only cause a problem when it's extremely cold outside. That seems to be a common issue in the winter for us over here. I had an Odyssey, drove me nuts for a couple days, and had to diagnose it in the cold weather because it would not do it. Once it started up, the engine bay warmed up just a few degrees. That's it. But hopefully, if you guys are newer to the field, or you've been doing this even for a while, do not forget to check this. This is very important, a very common issue I've been seeing lately. A lot of times you could just take out the connector, take out the pin, adjust the tension on it real quick, and just put it back together, and it's good. If you can't, then at that point, you would obviously be looking to either replace that connector or, replace a harness or whatever the case may be. So with that being said, guys, I hope this, this video helps some of you guys out. Once again, this is a very important step that's very easily mistaken and overlooked. So if you're having a crazy and a wacky electrical issue, especially if it's intermittent or something like that, then this is something you definitely want to, you know, consider looking at. And once again, I'll post a link below in the description. Doesn't have to be from these guys, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of guys out there that make similar stuff. There's also bigger kits, but since I'm a Honda specialist, I got the one that serves me the best. I don't need a kit that I'm not going to be using, if I don't work on the cars. And if that ever becomes the issue or the case, then I'll just buy a bigger kit. But for now, this works for me. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on your thoughts and maybe some future content you want me to make.